ACC is one of the key events for ESTEC that we run every year. It's one of the highlights in our calendar. We really try here to get all the engineering companies that we engage with together so that they can come and share their using of the technology and how they solve difficult problems out there in the real world, so that all the customers can learn and experience with them how they use this technology that we supply to them in the industry.